Hi everyone. Today I would like to discuss or just chat a bit about a plantar fascia, because I often get people that come in and say, oh, they've got plantar fascia or plantar fasciitis or that. We all have a plantar fascia, and our plantar fascia is an elastic band that's made to stretch and be used every day with every single step that you take. But they were designed to function at a certain angle, and that is where people often get plantar fasciitis wrong, because they think just certain people have plantar fascia. We all have plantar fascias, but it is as soon as you use it in an incorrect angle, and that actually applies to all your muscles. So any joint or muscle pain that you get is because you're using that structure in the incorrect way, and that is why it's inflamed. So if you have a look at this structure here, that's your plantar fascia over there, and then there's 4 layers of muscles underneath your foot. That is the bottom of the foot. So on the bottom of the foot, it inserts, I'm just going to illustrate it here, this picture here, it inserts into your heel over there, it runs all the way along here and inserts into your toes. It's this green structure here. If you press underneath your foot, it's a structure underneath your skin. So if you have a look here, if we look at the sideways, your plantar fascia has a bowstring effect. So it sits underneath your foot like that, and it's used to a certain amount of stretching. At a certain angle, in a certain alignment, just think cars wheel balancing, because that is really how we look at foot mechanics. And as soon as you use that plantar fascia at the incorrect angle, that's why you're experiencing the pain. So the 101 things that they tell you in Google, which is great, because when we're desperate, we Google, to roll on a bottle, all of that, massage it is great because it is going to give you symptomatic relief, but that doesn't always sort the problem out. And that the same goes for arch supports. An arch support, just to give it support there, the arch support might actually push that plantar fascia more into the incorrect position, and that can then actually not heal you or not make it any better. So what you want to do, whatever, we first want to address shoe wear. With plantar fasciitis, I can tell you now, barefoot walking is not ideal. You want to address shoe wear, you want to address activity, you want to see what makes it better, what makes it worse, and then obviously you want to start from there. But the very first thing that you want to start off with plantar fasciitis is you want to have a look at the shoe wear, and you want to advise on shoe wear, and then you want to have a look at the way that you walk, and you want to give symptomatic relief. Which I will obviously in my slides to come, or my posts to come, I will discuss the correct shoe wear with plantar fasciitis. But I just wanted to explain to you what is the plantar fascia. We all have a plantar fascia, and the plantar fasciitis is the inflammation of this plantar fascia. And to try and treat the cause of the problem is we need to see, or to try and treat the plantar fascia, we need to see what's the actual cause of it, and then we treat from there.